Hi, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and I have a really quick tip for you. This is something that came about when I was making this necklace. I'm just stringing on some seed beads onto some beading wire, and I wanted each of these side segments to be the exact same length, and I had a caliper on my desk, and what I discovered is that it was very easy and very quick if I set the caliper to the length I wanted, laid it down on my table, and then I just measured my beads against this negative space versus a ruler. So if you look here, those green beads just fit right within that negative space. Same with those ones. And this was just a lot easier for me to do than looking at a ruler and having to line it up with the lines and the hashes. For me, it was easier to visually see just with that nice negative space. So just a really quick tip, if you have to make a number of segments that are the exact same length, and with a caliper, of course, you can set this to any size you want. Just nice, quick, easy thing to do, and it made my life a little bit easier as I was creating this project. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Check out beadaholique.com for more of them.